Welcome to the Home Gardening Program.
Today we will discuss guidelines for the site selection, planting and maintenance of fruit trees. Wouldn't it be nice to pick a fruit from your own yard? Where should you plant that fruit tree?
Let's talk about site selection.
Firstly, you must determine whether you have enough space for planting fruit trees.
Grafted plants are recommended because they have desirable characteristics. They are smaller, easier to maintain, disease tolerant, and produce desired fruit. Plant fruit trees 3 meters or more away from all structures to prevent damage by roots. Mature trees should not interfere with power lines and should not overhang into the neighbor's property.
Now that you've identified the spot for your fruit tree, let's talk about planting.
Prepare the area so that it drains easily. Loosen soil with a garden fork to break up any clumps and allow good aeration. Dig a hole sufficiently deep and wide for easy placement of the plant. Generally, for fruit trees, a hole 30 centimeters wide and 30 centimeters deep is suitable. Prepare a mixture using 2 parts of soil from the hole. Add it to 1 part manure and 30 grams of 12-24-12 fertilizer and mix thoroughly. This will encourage a healthy start and good root development. Fill 1/3 of the planting hole with the prepared mixture. Remove the plant from the bag or container. If the roots are compacted, carefully loosen and gently spread them out. Place the plant into the prepared hole. Fill the space around the plant with the rest of the prepared mixture and cover the top of the roots. Gently press the soil around the plant to hold it in place. If necessary, loosely tie the plant to a stake about 15 centimeters away from the plant to secure it from toppling in the wind. Loosen the tie on the stake as the plant grows. Water the plant immediately after planting. Place mulch such as dry grass or leaves around the plant.
Now that you have planted your fruit tree, how should you maintain it? Water the plant regularly to ensure that soil does not dry out. Remove all weeds, taking care not to damage the plant. Apply 250 grams of 20-10-10 NPK fertilizer around the drip circle 3 months after planting. Increase the application to 450 grams of 20-10-10 NPK fertilizer in the second year. In year 3, use 700 grams of 12-12-17-2 NPK fertilizer and continue this application yearly. As the plant matures, prune unwanted branches. Budded and grafted plants such as avocado, mango, and citrus require special attention. If you look carefully, you will see the point where the graft or bud was joined to the root stock. Remove shoots growing out of the root stock, since these are vigorous and will grow faster than the grafted portion. If you allow these shoots to grow, you will not get the fruit you wanted. For further information and advice, contact your agricultural extension or research officer.